Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be talking to you about sending coins in Gardenscapes and if it is possible. Make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly and what I have to say so you can have all the info that you need. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Gardenscapes, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, go ahead and log into your account. Doesn't matter if it's using Facebook or some other platform. Log in guys, and then you can go ahead and click on the play button right here to get started playing, and it's going to go ahead and take us to this new page, which is the main garden where we can see all of our quests and games that we can play and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see if we can send coins. But basically guys, as you can see here, I have saved up 1000 coins, and let's say I want to send these coins to somebody. Basically, the only thing you can send in this game, if you are in a clan or something similar, you can send lives. But guys, coins are not possible to send. So what you need to do is to be able to just buy the coins for yourself or earn them by playing games, but nobody can sell you coins and send you coins, and you cannot send it to anybody else. But yeah guys, basically that is how it currently is in Gardenscapes. Maybe sometime they will add the option to send coins. But yeah guys, basically that is it. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.